Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Notpixel, don't miss the hottest airdrop of the year before November 2024. Sasha, the visionary founder of Notcoin, can't stop buzzing about Notpixel, a game-changing crypto airdrop that's set to shake up the blockchain world. With the official listing planned for November 2024, this airdrop is already generating massive excitement among crypto enthusiasts and investors alike. If you've been looking for a fresh opportunity to dive into the crypto space and reap big rewards, Notpixel might just be your golden ticket. Here's everything you need to know about why it's a must-join event, what sets it apart, and how you can get involved. What makes Notpixel so special? Amid a crowded crypto landscape, Notpixel has captured the attention of the community for several reasons. 1. Substantial rewards for early participants. Timing is everything in crypto, and Notpixel rewards early movers generously. Joining the airdrop now means you can claim exclusive benefits and be among the first to enjoy the project's full potential when it launches. According to Sasha, early participants are positioned to see the biggest gains as excitement builds toward the November listing. 2. A unique blend of utility and community. Notpixel isn't just about profits, it's about building something sustainable and valuable. The project is creating a robust blockchain ecosystem that offers practical tools and solutions for users. This forward-thinking approach ensures that Notpixel appeals to both investors looking for financial returns and users who value utility and innovation. 3. Strong community support. Sasha emphasizes that the backbone of Notpixel is its passionate and engaged community. By fostering a sense of ownership and collaboration among its members, the project is positioned to thrive long after the airdrop. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, joining Notpixel means becoming part of a growing network of like-minded enthusiasts. 4. Position for growth in 2024 and beyond. With a listing date strategically set for late 2024, Notpixel is perfectly timed to capture momentum as the crypto market evolves. Sasha is confident that the project's unique features and careful planning will make it a standout in the market, attracting significant interest from investors and developers alike. How to get involved in the Notpixel airdrop. Getting started with Notpixel is simple, even if you're new to crypto. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit the official Notpixel platform. Head over to the Notpixel website, where you'll find all the information you need about the airdrop. Complete the participation tasks. To qualify for the airdrop, complete a few straightforward tasks such as signing up, connecting your wallet, and engaging with the Notpixel community. Secure your spot. Once you've completed the tasks, you're officially part of the airdrop. Sit back and watch as the rewards roll in. Spread the word. Sasha and the Notcoin team encourage participants to share the opportunity with friends. By growing the community, you're not just boosting your chances of success, you're helping build a thriving ecosystem. Tips to stay safe while investing. Sasha is passionate about empowering users but also reminds everyone to invest responsibly. While the potential rewards of Notpixel are exciting, it's crucial to keep the following tips in mind. Set a budget. Decide how much you're willing to invest or contribute and stick to it. Do your research. Familiarize yourself with the Notpixel project, its goals, and its team. Only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market can be volatile, so approach every investment with caution. Beware of scams. Always use the official Notpixel platform and double-check links to avoid phishing scams. Why you should act now. Time is of the essence. With the November 2024 listing date fast approaching, the earlier you join, the better you're positioned to maximize rewards. By participating now, you'll not only benefit from the exclusive airdrop but also gain a head start in exploring the innovative features of the Notpixel ecosystem. Sasha and the Notcoin team are working tirelessly to ensure that Notpixel becomes a milestone in the crypto space. Whether you're here for the financial rewards or the chance to be part of a transformative project, there's no better time to get involved. The future of Notpixel, what to expect. Looking ahead, Notpixel aims to expand its ecosystem, launch new blockchain tools and solutions that provide real-world value, strengthen community bonds, host events, contests, and collaborations to keep the community engaged, drive innovation, explore cutting-edge technology to keep Notpixel ahead of the curve. With these goals in mind, Notpixel is more than just an airdrop, it's a vision for the future of blockchain and crypto. Conclusion. The Notpixel Airdrop isn't just another event, it's shaping up to be the crypto highlight of 2024. With its unique blend of substantial rewards, innovative features, and a strong community, Notpixel offers something for everyone. Don't wait until it's too late. Join today to secure your spot, reap the rewards, and be part of a project that's redefining the crypto space. Visit the Notpixel platform now, complete the tasks, and claim your share before November 2024. The future of crypto is here, don't miss it!